Now let's look at another example here. All right, so our matrix is, we have 4, we have 2, we have 7, and we have 6. And then we know that for us to find the inverse of this matrix, what we need to check first if this is invertible. That is, we have to be sure that our determinant is not equal to 0. So let's find the determinants. All right, so determinants will give us 4 times 6, which is 24, minus 2 times 7, which is 14. So our determinant give us 10. That means that this matrix is invertible. All right, so now the next thing we need to find is our adjoints. We need to find our adjoints. Okay, so adjoints of A. Okay, let me write what A is again. We have 4, we have 2, we have 7, we have 6. Right, don't forget that if A equals to A, B, C, D, then the adjoint of A will give us D minus B minus C, A. All right, so now the adjoint of A now, what do we have? We have 6 minus 7 minus 2, and we have 4. Okay, that gives the adjoint of A. All right, so the next thing for us to do is to find the inverse. We have determinants of A, and we also have the adjoint of A. So let's just proceed to finding the determinants and write the formula again. To inverse, I mean. So the inverse of A equals to 1 over determinant multiplied by the adjoint of A. Okay, so 1 over, what's our determinant? Our determinant is 10. Okay, then we have the adjoint of A to be 6 minus 2 minus 7, 4. Okay, so we can actually put this in decimal. All right, we have to multiply each of these by 1 over 10. All right, so that gives 1 of 6 divided by 10 will give us 0.6. Minus 7 divided by 10 will give us minus 0.7. Minus 2 over 10 will give us minus 0.2. And then 4 over 10 will give us 0.4. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, we can now see that this is actually very simple. Right, I want to give us one to do. Okay, I want to give us one to do. I want us to find the inverse of this matrix. I have C equals to 1 minus 3 minus 2, 4. Okay, I want us to find the inverse of C. Find the inverse of C, okay, which is already represented by this. Find the inverse of C. All right, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I want to see our answer in the comment section. Also share and subscribe. See you later. Bye.